Abstracting the complexities lesser to the user is something that a database developer should be primarily conscious about. And I think in that context, CockroachDB has done a phenomenal job there.
My name is Shengwei. I'm a software engineer at Netflix.
My name is Ram. I'm a software engineer at Netflix.
At Netflix, we have a centralized data platform team handling all the infrastructure engineering. For specifically, our team is called Online Datastores. So we provide persistency as a service. So our team handle multiple data stores, like provide Cassandra, EV Cache, Elasticsearch, and of course RDBMS. And CockroachDB is one of the paid paths. And me and Ron, we've been actively working on to making sure customers that inside Netflix can use CockroachDB as a service.
Now we have close to 380 plus clusters in total, out of which 160 odd clusters are in production. As our business scale, as Netflix newer initiative like gaming, live has come out to the public, with the requirements for having more databases has increased.
For some customers, they may want to really have a high availability with low latency, but they don't care about the multi-region. For other customers, they care more about the regional survivability. They care about the criticalness of the data. So their data is more critical compared to others. So they do need regional survivability across multiple regions, but they're okay to sacrifice the latency a little bit.
So the benefits of using a multi-region CockroachDB cluster is when there is a total region failover. CockroachDB immediately transfers leaseholders to the other regions, and your app owners who are actually surfacing the database have absolutely no clue about a region failover. For example, there is an app called CockroachDB NGPen, and that's the control plane for the gaming team app. They want their CockroachDB cluster to be always available, even if there is a region failover. And people use Netflix throughout the world, and hence the data stores are configured in different regions of the world. So for a use case like that, we kind of recommend them to use a multi-region setup.
So my advice for CockroachDB user is always start with something simple, intuitive, but safe. Because CockroachDB is very powerful. You have so many ways of configuring your cluster to suit your need to optimize your read-write latency or adding pattern or locality. Right? But it's because it's so powerful. Before you touching all this configuration, you want to learn all this concept by yourself.